So I'm back. Okay, sorry. Too a little too excited to be back on camera. But today I'm trying out some new products today, okay? New product review. This is not sponsored, but the company did send me out their collection and it's from TRELUXE. Yes. First off, don't forget to like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see more hair content from me. Also follow me on my Instagram, follow me everywhere, okay? Just do that. So I'm pretty sure they sent me out their full collection. This is their Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Okay, we got that on deck. And then we have the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. I'm still sick. You can hear it in my throat. Also, I have the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. I'm excited about this. And then I have their High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. Okay, this right here. And lastly, I have their Reflex Curl Styling Serum. So they did send me a pamphlet, which, reading's fundamental. So it says that I could use the leave-in and then this curl hydrating cream, since I have like kinky coily hair, and then I could either go in with the Reflex or go in with the High Definition Styling Gel. So I think I'm gonna do one on one side and one on the other side just to see which one is gonna give me better results. I am gonna do a wash and go. I've been loving wash and goes lately, so we're gonna see how this looks. We're gonna see. Next time I'm definitely gonna do a follow-up video, probably doing a twist out, just to see how these products work on a twist out. But let's get started. My hair's already wet. I rinsed my pre-poo out. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it in the cards. I might come before this video or after. So my hair is damp right now, so I'm gonna go in with the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. Sulfate-free, all curl types, color safe. It smells really, really good. It has like a fresh light scent. It's not overpowering at all. The key ingredients are coconut milk and slippery elm extract. So that seems like it'll be oh, this is very moist. Look how creamy this is. So it says to use half a pump. I use 2. Follow directions, kids. So I'm gonna need more shampoo already because I am outside the shower. If I was in the shower, I definitely think a half a pump would be good because I'm getting really good lather right now. And so far, it's very moisturizing. I can feel the moisture. My hair does not feel stripped or anything. This feels like a gel. I can definitely feel that slippery elm. It is very moisturizing. Wow, it's clumping my curl. Are you seeing that? Wait, a shampoo? Wow. Wow, this is very moisturizing. Like, it kind of feels like a very moisturizing foam, styling foam. Like, it feels like I could leave this in my hair because it's clumping. Like, it's clumping my hair. Wow. Wow. Very impressed. So I'm going to rinse this out. Then I'm going to do a second cleanse because you guys know I wash my hair twice. Okay. All the time. I shampoo twice. I'm going to come back after I do that. And yeah, to talk a little more about the shampoo. Okay, I'm back. I actually washed my hair 3 times because this is what am I saying? This is very moisturizing. This may be the most moisturizing shampoo I've ever used. This and my Kadima Organics 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, they are both on the same level. This may be more moisturizing. This really felt like I was applying like a leave-in and rinsing it out of my head. I don't know. Let's see if it actually cleaned my scalp. But my hair it is really moisturized. Really moisturized. My hair still feels really soft. Let's see. Okay, looks good right there. That looks good actually. Huh. Okay, my scalp is clean. Well, there you go. This is really good. I actually really like this. I don't think anybody could go wrong with using this. This is moisturizing. It cleaned my scalp. I did have to wash my hair 3 times, but the shampoo's about right here. So, and I use a lot of pumps. So if you use about half a pump, you'll be good. It will last you a very long time. But so far, so good. Okay. Okay. Like I said earlier, it doesn't come with a deep conditioner. I don't know if they just didn't send it to me or they just don't have it in their line. So I'm actually going to apply the Miche Strengthen Deep Conditioner because I need to add some protein to my hair. So I'm going to quickly do that. And I'm probably going to use some heat for about 15-20 minutes. And I'll come back when it's time to style. Top of the morning to you. And this is the next day. Your girl fell asleep. So my hair is wet. What underneath? I drenched my hair. I drenched my hair underneath the water. So my hair is damp. If I need to apply more water, I'll do so. So now I'm going to use the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. Yeah, my pump is not working, which I don't know why. Oh, this smells like apple cinnamon. It smells like Big Red. So I'm taking about this amount. Very creamy, very thin. I like it. It's not doing anything extravagant for me, but it's definitely moisturizing my hair. Definitely has slip. I can feel the slip. I like that it's absorbing into my hair. So, low porosity, girls. This would be nice. Yeah, it's definitely absorbing. Very lightweight. Simple. So I've let the leave-in conditioner sit for a little bit and my hair definitely feels really good. I got the pump to work, so I don't know what was wrong. So with each product, it's saying to shingle my hair. I am going to take the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream, which is really creamy. It says to shingle. I don't shingle anymore, but I'm going to take a little bit to each section, focus on my ends, and I'm just going to, oh, that feels so good. Wow. And this kind of has like a, I don't know, super light scent. You can barely smell it. But I'm going to apply some throughout. I don't know. I'm going to start like trying to define my curls when I add the gels. So I'm taking about this much per section. And I'm just smoothing just so I don't disturb the curls. If you guys hear noise, I have a full house right now. Okay? And 5 kids running around. Alright. That is done. Wow, I cannot wait to use this 4-twist out. This is, it feels so good. Water, aloe vera. Come on now. Love me some aloe vera. Coconut oil. It has some protein in it, some rice extract. Keratin amino acids. Apricot oil, avocado oil, marshmallow root, shea butter. So all the products contain a little bit of protein, and that's a good thing because this would be your one-stop shop. You don't have to like fluctuate between protein-based deep conditioner and moisturizing deep conditioner, or a protein-based shampoo and then a moisturizing shampoo. You don't have to do that. There's a little bit of protein in each, so you don't ever have to like go on with a strong protein treatment because there's protein in it. So I'm going to use the Reflex on this side, and then I'm going to use the High Definition on this side. So let's use the Reflex first. Very light scent, very light, Kind of has like a cologne scent. Got a small section. I'm gonna spray it down. When I do my wash and goes, I like to do it on soaking wet hair. My hair responds the best on soaking wet hair. It says to distribute this throughout 5 sections. I'm personally not gonna do that. So I don't know what's gonna happen. And shingle. You guys know I don't shingle. Like, I just smooth. This thing is thin. I mean, like, very thin. Maybe I need to add. Oh, it's defining. It's doing a little something. Now, so far, I'm getting a lot of frizz. You can tell already it's not gonna work. So, I'm about to just go in with the high definition. See, this is doing a little bit something better. I'm getting a lot better definition. Okay. Let's clump my curls better. Okay, so it's the next morning, and yesterday I used my diffuser, and I diffused my hair for about 30 to 40 minutes, and my hair was pretty much like 80% dry, and my roots were still damp, so I let my hair air dry for the rest of the day, and by the end of the night, my hair was completely dry, so I just put my bonnet on, and now it's the next day because I did not feel like coming on camera last night. So, got helmet head right now. All the curls smushed, but there's some flakes. Let's look closely. Oh yeah, there's flakes right here. There's a couple of flakes, but that may be just me because I did use a lot of product, you guys. I used the leave-in, I used the cream, I used the reflex, and I used the gel. There is a cast. I feel the cast, but it's, I would say, medium hold. I could tell that I'm gonna get a couple of days from this. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna make this fast because it's getting loud. Yeah, my hair looks really good. I really like how it looks. I'm thinking I can get a couple of days. So for the shampoo, the Gentle Cleanser Rinse, I really do like this product. Very moisturizing, a very moisturizing shampoo. Cleaned my scalp good. I definitely like this. I will continue to use this. So far, I really do like this. The leave-in conditioner, very simple, straightforward. It's a very lightweight leave-in. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this. I think it's a decent leave-in conditioner. As for the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream, I really do like this. I love the texture of it. I think this is the reason why my hair feels so soft. I do still have that hold, that cast, but my hair feels really soft underneath, and I could tell my hair is going to be moisturized for a couple of days. So I really do like this. I can't wait to use this for a braid out or a twist out just to see how this works. The Reflex, I don't know. I'm gonna keep using it just to see if it adds to any one of my wash and goes or any other style. I know it's supposed to give a lightweight, add no frizz and bounce. I don't really know if this did anything. I did like the slip. I did like the way my hair felt with it, but this is a lightweight holding gel, and preferably for me, I like more hold because I know I'm gonna get more days out of the style. Lastly, the High Definition Curl Enhancing Styling Gel. Really do like this. The texture is just like flaxseed gel, so I really like that. It's really jiggly, really can move. I didn't use that much. I will probably get maybe 3 to form more uses out of this, which is really good for an 8-ounce gel. I know these products are pretty pricey. I'm not sure the exact price of everything, but it's black owned, all natural ingredients, so you're going to be paying for that. So the things I recommend, highly recommend the cream and the high definition gel. I really do like these two so far. These are like my favorite ones. So that's pretty much it. That is my full review using the line. Stay tuned for more videos using their products because I really do love that the ingredients are great and I really do like my results. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of my results? What should I use next? What should I use? What style should I try this cream on? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one.